Alright, class. Today I'm about to check your homework.
I'm sorry, Mr. Hernandez, but I forgot my backpack and my homework.
Oh my god! Pinkalicious, how dare you not bring your homework and backpack to school? You know that you should always come to school prepared.
A few moments later.
Okay, everyone. Have a nice Friday. And I'll see you guys next Friday.
Alright, Carl, I just got the science, geometry, and history books.
Okay, Jimmy, I'm going to the bathroom.
Alright, it's time to steal Carl Wheezer's backpack.
Alright, now let's do our homework at the library. No, where's my backpack?
Wait a minute, Carl Wheezer. I think that Pinkalicious just stole our backpack. Because that backpack is similar to your backpack. We're going to deal with the principal right now.
Pinkalicious, did you just steal Carl Weezer's backpack? Tell me the truth now.
Okay, Principal, you can see in my hands that I have his backpack. And I didn't have a backpack because I didn't brought my backpack to school, along with my homework.
Oh my god! Pinkalicious, how dare you steal Carl Weezer's backpack at school? And also, I cannot believe that you just didn't buy your backpack and homework. You know that you're supposed to come to school prepared. That's it. You are barred from this school, and you are suspended for 5 weeks. Now, give it to me, the backpack, and go home now. Pinkalicious, we can't believe that you just stole Carl Weezer's backpack and got suspended for 5 weeks. Huh?
You should know by now that stealing is a crime, and also, you should always come to school prepared. For not bringing your backpack and stealing Carl Weezer's backpack, you are grounded for 2 months. Now, go to your room now and be ashamed of yourself and never come out until you learn your lesson.